Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable the comments on your Facebook posts. So if you guys would like to go ahead and disable some of the comments over on your Facebook post, all we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application and then go on over to our profiles and then choose the specific Facebook post that we want to go ahead and turn off the comments on. Now this won't work on your specific Facebook post on your profile since we only have this option, which is who can comment on this post, and we actually can proceed with only choosing public, friends and established followers, friends, or profiles and pages that you mention. Now if you'd like to go ahead and turn off the comments, you could actually proceed with tapping on profiles and pages that you only mention, and this is going to allow you to allow the other people on your profile to not comment unless they are mentioned. Now you can actually proceed with doing that, and once you see this comment section, you can only actually see the comments of the people that you mention and not from everybody, giving access to only those that you mention. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.